6 Tips on how to lose weight. Are you struggling to lose weight? Aside from a fat diet and occasional exercise, there are numerous more factors that contribute to weight loss. It necessitates careful planning and a great deal of determination. You've certainly heard of several difficult weight reduction strategies that make losing weight even more difficult. If you genuinely follow all of the procedures, you can achieve your weight loss objectives utilizing these easy yet effective weight loss strategies. To lose weight, you don't have to be constantly hungry. All you have to do is plan ahead of time and keep to your schedule. Here are a few simple strategies to assist you in losing weight. 1. Start your day with lemon water. Lemon water is a good weight loss beverage. Lemon juice aids your body's absorption of nutrients. It requires certain nutrients to convert fat into energy and prevent weight gain. Make sure you continue to drink even after you've lost weight. Lemon juice can help you maintain your new weight. 2. Replace your regular tea or coffee with green tea. Drinking green tea is also a wonderful way to lose weight. It has a large number of antioxidants. It can aid in weight loss by assisting the body in breaking down foods. Green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants. Because they liberate fat from fat cells, they are excellent for fat burning. They also stop the spread of disease. Substitute a cup of organic green tea for your regular cup of tea or coffee. Try to drink 3 to 4 glasses of green tea each day. 3. Eat a healthy diet. A well-balanced, low-calorie diet is a critical element of a healthy weight loss strategy. Instead of gorging up on junk food, make sure to incorporate fresh fruits, veggies, and whole grains in your diet. Keep fried and greasy foods to a minimum. Also, limit your sugar and salt intake. Look for more nutritious versions of your favorite foods. Eat homemade air-popped popcorn instead of high-calorie oil-popped popcorn. White bread, cookies, muffins, pizzas, hot dogs, burgers, pasta, and other items produced with white flour should be avoided. Choose whole grain and less processed versions of these meals. They should mark their products as 100% whole grain, not just made with whole grains or multigrain. Consume more fiber and proteins while consuming fewer carbohydrates. Proteins keep you fuller for longer and reduce cravings. Allow yourself a cheat meal once a week. It's important to remember not to overeat. Eat carefully and try to avoid distractions while eating to get the most out of your cheat meal. Instead of bottled fruit juices, which are high in sugar and preservatives, opt for fresh fruit juice. Don't nibble late at night and eat your last meal of the day at least 2 hours before bedtime. Use smaller dishes and bowls to regulate your portion size and avoid eating hastily. 4. Exercise. There is no way to avoid daily exercise and activity if you truly want to reduce weight in a healthy way. You can lose weight and keep it off by combining mild and vigorous physical activity. Exercising also reduces stress and improves energy, mood, and sleep quality. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and cancer. Setting out a specific period in your day for your fitness regimen will help you from skipping it because you don't have enough time. 5. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to aid in the removal of toxins from your body. It is recommended to consume 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. It not only aids in the removal of pollutants, but it also helps the body burn fat more quickly. Also, consume more water-rich fruits and vegetables. 6. Get proper sleep. It is also critical to get enough sleep and relax in order to lose weight. In reality, not getting enough quality sleep has an impact on your appetite and fullness hormones, the way your body breaks down materials, and how your genetics influence your BMI. Sleep deprivation makes you munch later at night, makes you seek comfort foods, and makes you too fatigued to exercise regularly. Sleep deprivation can also sabotage weight loss efforts. Ensure that you receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep each night. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to get the best natural diet recipes, click the link in the description below to get started.